We're going to show you how to scan a two-sided document on the ADF on the HP OfficeJet 5230. To begin, let us start up the HP Printer Assistant. From the Assistant, select Scan and Scan Document or Photo. From the Scan UI, we'll select Save as PDF. For the page side, we'll select Two-Sided Manual. Make sure that the source is Use Document Feeder if loaded. Next, let us load the document into the ADF. Here is the two-sided document that we want to scan. It consists of 4 pages that is printed two-sided. Open up the ADF cover and load the document into the feeder. Remember to use the width adjuster. Select Scan to start scanning the documents. The first 2 pages has been scanned. We need to manually reload the pages back into the ADF. Do not change the page order, but we may need to rotate the pages. Let's do that. Remove the 2 pages from the output tray of the ADF. Do not change the order. Rotate it and reload back into the ADF. When ready, press the OK button on the software. We will show the scanning of page 3 and page 4. Do take note that at the end of the scan, the software will automatically sort the pages. So that's a page 3. And that's page 4. You will notice that the software has sorted the pages. Let's take a closer look. So this is page 1. This is page 2. And this is page 3. And this is page 4. So let us do a save for this document. We'll name it Test Two-Sided Scan. So this is page 1 of our scan document. And this is page 2. It's page 3. And finally page 4. So this is how you scan two-sided documents on your HP OfficeJet 5230 printer using the HP software.